especially the associates of the Honorable Minister who are here gathered in their numbers, particularly former senators who are always there to provide the support, and of course, the party leader who has also joined us, and all his friends and well-wishers. We thank you very much. Today is the official flag-off ceremony of the construction of Kabusa Takushara Access Road in the FCT. Anything else you hear or read is not correct. This is what we are doing today. Official flag-off ceremony of the construction of Kabusa Takushara Access Road in the FCT. And we are here live. And we see all the area council chairmen who are stakeholders to this project gathered, especially Chairman Amak, with all his other colleagues who are here from Abaji, Kwali, Gwagwalada. They are all gathered here because they believe in the vision of the FCT minister. The man we are about to invite up is a man whose duties are very close to his heart. Since he began this lineup of flag-offs and commissionings in the FCT, Abuja is continuously wearing a new look. Everywhere you turn, everywhere you look. Honorable Minister, sir, we are truly grateful in the FCT for these various things that are going on here. On my part, I say, je te remercie, monsieur. Thank you, sir. When we started these projects, a very close relation of mine decided that the only way to describe what is going on is Wike is working. Honorable Minister, sir, since our break, I've kept my ear to the ground, in the press, on street corners, and everywhere. You have now added a new name for your infrastructural development from that very close family friend of mine. And he says, the new infrastructural development ideology for the FCT is now called Wikism. Wikism is a new word in our infrastructural lexicon for development. So if you go to any other part of the country and there's infrastructural development going on, you are like, they borrowed the ideology, Wikism. So I need you to pay attention to that. The FCT Minister, Ezenwo Nyesom Wike, remains an enigma to many people. But what you cannot take away from him is his appetite for work and infrastructural development. Coming straight out of being a team member on the president's team in France, would like to welcome the man who is now fired and energized for more work to enable Abuja and FCT look like the city of his dreams. Help me give a warm welcome to the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Ezenwo Nyesom Wike.
You are the representative of the Abuja South in the House of Representatives, Honorable Ajer, the zonal chairman of APC South, our dear brother Chief Victor Tombari Giadom, distinguished senators here, particularly the home senator, the only senator. The only senator FCT has had, and the senator who connects to the people. The senator who speaks what the people understand. Senator Philip Tanimu Adudua. Adabora Senator Mau Ohabuwa, Senator Magnus Ngei Abe, who are all here with us. The coordinators of the satellite town and Abuja municipal areas, the area council chairman, particularly our chief host, the chairman of AMAC, the mandate secretaries, permanent secretaries of service, chairman, civil service commission, chief of staff, the group managing director of Abuja Investment Company, SS administration, our traditional rulers, our dear leaders who are here, heads of security agencies that are here, our dear women, and our good people of Kabusa and Takushara, and our dear students who have come out in their numbers, our dear youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me apologize and say this. It is not in our culture, and this will be the last time we see this happen. Nobody should bring students out of their school to line up on the road. We will not accept that any longer. Our students cannot. What we are doing is what we are supposed to do. And so we will not accept where our students, our children are subjected to line up on the street to receive us. I want to please appeal to the principal or principals of the various schools not to allow that to happen next time. Our children deserve the best. They deserve the best. Let me say this clearly. What we're doing today is what the renewed hope agenda is all about. Give hope back to our people. I'm sure the people of Kabusa and Takushara may have lost hope that this road would not be done. But to the glory of God and by the coming in of the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, it's a different story. Government is no longer being concentrated at the city. Government has come back to the grassroots. That is all about the New Hope agenda. I want to ask the people of Kabusa and Takushara, have you seen any government here before? The people of Kabusa and Takushara, let the world hear you today. Has any government come here today before? In essence, you are saying that it is only Ahmed Bola Tinubu's administration that you have seen today. Is not correct? So let Nigerians hear that once a government has made a promise, the government is obliged to fulfill the promise. Is that not correct? One of the promises Mr. President made is that, look, all of you in the satellite town, don't think that government is about cities. We will also turn satellite towns to be cities. And one of the things to do is to construct roads for you. And I can assure you, it is not about flagging up projects. In the next 6-7 months, I want to assure you we are going to commission this project. And for the first time, roads are constructed in the rural areas, and we are going to provide street light. It has never happened before. So I thank you that you are giving us support, and we are not going to fail you. The government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu will not fail you. If I cannot support a government that is not serious, I cannot support a government that will make promise without fulfilling promise. I'm supporting this government because I know the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu will fulfill the promise that he has made. And I'm happy. But for the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, I wouldn't have known where it's called Kabusa and Takushara. Tomorrow, we are going to Kabusa to Keti. So today we are doing Kabusa Takushara. Tomorrow we are going to do Kabusa Keti. Don't allow anybody to come and tell you stories again. Do you understand me? When they come, ask them, when you were there, did you remember Kabusa Takushara? When you were there, did you remember Kabusa Keti? Government is seen is believing. Not so. I want to assure you that they said this is a school, is it not? Yes, is it a school? Yes, my brother, I'm not going to lie. I will not accept this. I will not accept this as a school for people to have quality education. And therefore, there will be immediate upgrading of this school to be what the school is supposed to be. I'm sure if Mr. President comes here and sees that this is a school our children are learning, I will lose my job. And I don't want to lose my job. And therefore, this school, we are going to make you to be happy, to be what a proper school is supposed to be. And under the emergency, we must put the school back to what a school is supposed to be. I mean, for whatever it is, God has blessed this country. And we must not suffer. Our children must not suffer. Our children must get the best. And that's what the administration of Ahmed Tinubu is all about. Yes, we have not gotten to where we want to go to. But there is hope by the grace of God. With your prayers, with your support, we'll get to the destination Nigeria wants us to be. And let me say, thank your chairman, the chairman of AMAC. Let me say clearly, I'm not here for party. I'm here for the people of Kabusa and Takushara. I'm here for the residents of Abuja. Your chairman has been on my neck. Before I traveled out on Wednesday, he came to see me. He brought a list of roads. I said, all these roads you are bringing, which one have you done? I said, my friend, go back. I've agreed we are doing Saburi. I've agreed we are doing day to life camp. I've agreed we are going to do Kabusa, Takushara. I've agreed we are going to also do Kabusa, Keti. Have you not tried? Have you not tried? So when the time comes, you do for me, I do for you. Not be so. You know, this job we are doing is like a contract. Not be so. You do for me, yendeba, yendeba. So don't listen to people who have never come to see you before. Don't listen to people who will bring propaganda for nothing. Listen to people who have made promise to you and they are fulfilling the promise. Has any minister come here before? No. Has any minister come here before? No. Is it your first time of seeing a minister? Yeah. This same minister will come back. Yeah. And so, when you see the minister come back to you, will you not listen to him? Will you listen to him? So that's how life is. There's no propaganda. If you remember me, I remember you. Not be so? Now we have remembered you. Will you not remember us? God bless your father. The contractor, make sure you employ our people. Create job for them. Give them to do some supplies where they can get money and feed their families. Not be so. We have mobilized you. Mobilization took place during this dry season. Not be so. I don't want to hear rain started yesterday or tomorrow. As I gave you money, use the money. Whether rain or sun, do the road for Kabusa to Takushara. Not so. I don't want to hear say, we didn't know that rain would start on time. We too, you have to return our money back. So that when the rain stops, we'll give you the money. Not be so. So contractor, make sure you do your work. And I can assure you, there's no problem of delay of payment. Money has been made available for this job to be completed on time. And we don't want our people to suffer. The Renewed Hope agenda has made promise to Nigerians. Yes, all of us expect things to turn around. Be assured, be patient. Things will naturally turn around for the betterment of our people. That's what I can assure you. We came back this morning and I said, we will not say because we came back this morning, we will not flag off this project. No. We owe you that duty to serve you and give you good service. And I thank you for coming out. Chief of Staff, I know the Mandate Secretary of Education has traveled to Saudi Arabia. Please call the Director of Procurement, make sure they come back to this school and do everything we can to give them the best because they deserve it. I thank all of you. Continue to pray for Mr. President. Good things will come out. Will you pray for him? Will you pray for him? All those Wayo people, don't listen to them. Oh. All those lie people, don't listen to them. We are ready to do everything for you. Abuja people, this is the first time you are having a head of service. Not so. Abuja people, this is the first time you are having permanent secretary. Abuja people, this is the first time you are having mandate secretaries. Has the president not done well? Everything requested from Mr. President, he has given you. What again do you want? You say you want a service, they gave you. You want, hold on. You say you want Monday second, hold on. Hold on. Let me tell you something. I agree with you. Without road, can you go to farm? No. Without road, can you bring your produce out? No. That is a way to reduce hunger. I agree with you. Hunger did not start today. And that's why we are fighting to stop hunger. And if we continue to support the government, we will stop this hunger. So first thing first, insecurity. Without road, even when somebody comes here to attack you, can security men come here? So we have started. Every problem cannot be solved at the same time. Now there is hope. What's important in one's life is there is hope. When there's no hope, are you alive? But when there's hope, you are alive. After all the governments that have been there since, have they remembered you? Now that we have started, they have hope that more things will come. We'll talk about school here. Was that the government before? Did they talk about the school? So things will change. Small will catch a monkey. No be so? Small will catch a monkey. We're almost there. I know how you feel. And I can assure you, everything is done to make sure that we survive. Part of the hunger is because of insecurity. You can't go to farm. Kidnappers and bandits will not allow you to go to farm. Not be so. Now we are fighting them. We are going to show them pepper. Do you understand me? We are going to show them pepper. So, don't worry. I know how what you have suffered. I know how impatient you are. Don't be like that turtle that has been in the pit latrine for years. Remaining that particular day, they will say, turtle will bring you out. He said, yeah, if you don't bring me out now, I will die today. But the turtle has been there for 20 years. Now we have started. Note that hope has come back. And that's the essence of the New Hope agenda. I thank all of you. On that note, I invite you to join us as a flag of this very important road of Kabusa, Takushara, to the glory of God. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Honorable Minister makes his way to the excavator and the heavy equipment as a symbol for flagging off this project, and his supporters are going to be around him. I'd like to urge that as we make our way, we watch our cameras and the cables that have been put in place to ensure that this goes out as planned. Shall we have the group photograph? The group photograph, please. The group photograph. The official flag-off ceremony of the construction of Kabusa, Takushara Access Road FCT. The group photograph is ongoing.